What's up, guys? It's Coach Dell here, and trying to give you a little bit of light. I had a couple people reach out to me in regards to having a little bit of trouble with the notes and the homework and everything like that. So I'm doing a little video here. Hopefully this all works out, and I hope that it helps. And if not, you just let me know, and we'll figure out a way to fix it so that we're good. So 6.2, nth roots and rational exponents. All right. So basically, we're going to take something more than just a square root, and we can have any root that we want here outside of the radical as long as a number, which is going to be in place of n, is in front. This number inside is the number that we're taking the square root of. So n, right, the nth root of any number is the root of any number to any exponent. And the concept is the same as square root. So for example, okay, if we look at something like what we have here, where we have the 3 outside of the 27, that really means it's the cubed root of 27. And if we put that in the calculator, try to figure out what we would get, all right, what we're seeing is you really get the number that we can multiply 3 times to get 27. So same as a square root, where we would have a number times a number. However, here, it's a cubed root, so we want that number 3 times, all right? So if we did 3 times 3 times 3, we would get 27, which means the cubed root of 27 is 3. Same if we went to the 4th root of 16. What number can we multiply 4 times to get 16? 2. And then the same for 32. What number can we multiply 5 times? That's the 5th root. It's also 2, coincidentally. All right. Now, the big thing with the roots, right? That root number, if it's an odd or even number, a lot of different characteristics that can go along with it. So if the root is even, similar to a square root, because a square root is even, right? The number 2. We know if we square root a number, we get 2 answers, a positive and a negative. So we know for any even root, we're going to get 2 solutions. If the root is odd, all right, so we're, a root of 3, a root of 5, 7, 9, whatever the case is. If the root is odd, we are going to get 1 answer. So if the number is a positive number we're taking the odd root of, it'll be positive. Negative number, it'll be negative. If we take the root of 0, all right, so any root of 0, it's going to be 0, all right? So for us right now, right, if we have the n equaling 3, okay, and a as a negative 125, n is representing the root, the negative 125 is that base. So for us, if we wanted to write this as a root, if we wanted to write this as a root, sorry, hold on. Oh, it would help if I was clicking the right way. There we go. That is what the root would be. N as our 3, A as the 125. That would be the third, or negative 125. That's the third root of negative 125. All right, which is actually negative 5.